Hello everyone! Kumusta na kayo? Kahit summer na, kailangan pa rin nating mag-aral para hindi tayo mahirapan sa pasukan. So what is an exponent? An exponent is a way to show repeated multiplication or how many times to multiply the base. Think of it as a shortcut for writing long multiplication. Remember, a base is the number being multiplied. Here is an example. If we have 2 raised to 3, 2 is your base and 3 is your exponent. And 2 raised to 3 in long method, 2 times 2 times 2 is equal to 8. So 2 raised to 3 is equal to 8. Another example is we have 5 raised to 2. Ang ibig sabihin yan ay 5 times 5 which is equal to 25. So we have here 3 raised to 4 means 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 which is equal to 81. So what is 4 raised to 3? Please comment down below your answers. Thank you. See you in my next video, everyone.